Hello, welcome to Spy Money. A lot of people ask me, how do your bots run in the Asian market? A lot of times people have jobs and can't trade during the US session or the London or whichever. So I went ahead and run the Sweet Scalper tonight. And right here is the beginning of the session. And I didn't turn it on till a little bit later. And as you can see, we had a stellar night. So 4 contracts is what we traded. And you have 4 short here, barely got in. This bot was untouched too. In other words, the bot did everything. It entered the trade, it set the profit targets, the stops, everything. This one right here was the only loser we had. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 winners and 1 loser. The bot is paused right now. I will not be running it anymore. We have the pretty huge news coming out tomorrow, so that's one of the reasons I wanted to trade tonight, is just to go ahead and get my profits done and get everything over. I probably won't even trade tomorrow. It's going to be pretty wild tomorrow, so if you are going to manually trade or trade the bots or whichever, then I wish you the best. I hope you kill it. Hope you do real well. But on this one, we're up 38.63.40. That is a very good night. The first trade started at 2000 Eastern time, and the last trade was at 21:29. So an hour and a half of trading, up 38.63.40 after commissions. Trading 4 contracts, $4,000 trade. Every trade was $4,000, and so we could have quit right here. We were up 2,400 and some odd dollars here, and then we had this loss that brought us back down to in the teens. I don't remember how much it was. And then we had this one, and this one. I almost took profit right through here several times. And I just felt, based on the zones and so forth, that we would probably end up pulling down. I left my profit target there. Again, this was untouched. I wanted to show everybody that you can just let the bot run based on the settings that I provide. Let the bot run and take your profits. So it does a really good job. If you have any questions or anything, the way you get the Ninja Suite is you come up here to the Ninja Suite, or you just click it right here. So if we go up here, click on that, and that is going to show a little video right here that you can watch, and it just describes a little bit about what's going on with it and so forth. My internet's a little bit slow tonight, so overlook that. We'll come back to it. But anyway, what it comes to, or what the Ninja Suite comes with, all the indicators on my website, a whole lot of indicators not even listed here that I provide in the Ninja Suite. We have 3 bots that we're using: the Beast bot, Renko bot, and the Sweet Scalper. The Sweet Scalper is what I use tonight. We have live trading, live training, Discord room, have a charts, news, callouts, training. Everything I did tonight, I called out into the Discord room. It's up to the individual to go ahead and take that information and do what they please with it. But I was showing trades and everything tonight. Also, I got my update back tonight on the Renko bot, and it is a multi-account trader. So in other words, if you have 20 accounts, like with Apex, they allow up to 20. You can trade all 20 accounts at the same time with one bot. So you put the bot on one chart, and when you put it on there, it will show it. So to give you an idea of what it looks like, this right here is the bot, and there's no trade on here right now, but it does trade all of the bots at the same time. So we're testing it again tonight. I'm going to run it all through tomorrow, and as long as everything turns out good, then I will go ahead and release it to everybody. And that's what we want, right? We want to release it, everybody see it. So once I get that done, I will go ahead and make a video, show everybody, show how it works. And once we get that done, then I will go ahead and put that same multi-chart or multi-account trader on the Beast and the Scalper. So we'll have it on both of them. We will have a trade copier coming out real soon, probably next week, that we'll have that. But for now, it seems like everything's working good on it. So we got a come down through here, you can read a lot of information. You click right here to lease it. At the top again, little video talking about everything included and so forth, kind of what we went over. If you have any questions, come up here to the contact us. Fill this out. If you need to talk to me, put your number and the best time to call you. And let me know your time zone too, because I deal with, I work with a lot of people across the world. I have them everywhere, a lot of different countries. I mean, it's just, I'm astounded of how many people are across the pond, as I call it, in other countries. And so put your time zone in there so I know when to call you. Funded accounts, does it work on that? Absolutely. And that's one of the reasons we did the multi-account trader within the bot, is so that you can trade these accounts all at the same time. If you have a CQG data for your live account, and then you have the Rithmic with these accounts, then you can trade the Rithmic and the CQG at the same time. You can see all of your accounts. Whatever you can see when you sign into NinjaTrader, you can trade. So whatever is there, you can trade it. Here is a comparison of all three companies up here. And in my opinion, I think if you're wanting fast money, UProfit's the one. They're doing really well right now, and they pay out daily if you want it. Apex takes a long time to get paid. It is a good company, good customer service and stuff, but it takes forever to get paid. The Earn to Trade does a really good job too. You can get paid once a week on it, not daily, but once a week. It takes 15 days to get through the valuation, and you have to trade a little bit each day in order to do it. Where with these two, you can make all your money in one day and then just trade a micro every day. So these are easier in my opinion. Come down here, you have some coupon codes that you can click on, so make sure you click on these to get to the website and then put your coupon in, and that'll get you taken care of. Again, if you have any questions or anything, there's a contact up here. Click on the Ninja Suite, and I'd be very happy to hear from you, get you started. A lot of people ask, how long does it take to get started, to get trained or whichever. If you know Ninja Suite or NinjaTrader already, NinjaTrader 8, if you already know how to use that, then within a couple of days you can be up and running and trading your account and so forth, and back to making money. So it doesn't take very long. If you don't know how to use NinjaTrader, your learning curve is going to be longer. But we do offer courses inside the Ninja Suite that teach you how to use NinjaTrader. So sign up for the Ninja Suite today, get started, and let's go ahead and get you in the program and start making money. You all have a great night, and probably talk to you tomorrow.